A drone can be a powerful tool, but when it is used the wrong way, it can create risks to privacy, safety, and public order. Today, we will explain what drone misuse is, how it harms society, and how we can prevent it through technology, education, and enforcement. Drone misuse refers to operating a drone without legal qualifications, without permission, or beyond what regulations allow, creating risks to personal rights, public safety, or airspace order. It usually falls into two categories. The first is illegal or non-compliant flying, such as entering no-fly zones, exceeding altitude limits, or flying at night without approval. The second is harmful or malicious use, such as spying and filming people without consent, harassing others, dropping objects, disrupting public operations, or even supporting smuggling and sabotage. This issue is growing because drones are affordable, highly mobile, and often equipped with cameras and sensors. As a result, the main risks concentrate in three areas: privacy invasion, physical safety hazards, and restricted airspace intrusion. Drone misuse can also become a public security concern. Drones may be used to observe or survey government buildings, military sites, or critical infrastructure such as power stations and transmission lines. This increases security risks and shows why strict and proactive oversight is necessary. Because drones can harm privacy, cause safety incidents, and disrupt airspace order, digital ethics emphasizes key principles such as respect for privacy, informed consent, non-maleficence, and accountability. Recording people without permission is not only unethical, but it can also cause long-term psychological stress by making people feel constantly watched. Legally, airspace is regulated in most countries, especially around airports, government facilities, and critical infrastructure. Operators must follow aviation rules and accept traceability requirements. If people ignore these rules, the impact goes beyond one violation. It can disrupt public operations, increasing enforcement costs, and reduce public trust in drone technology. Effective prevention of unmanned aerial vehicles. Misuse requires an integrated approach that combines technological safeguards, public awareness initiatives, and strengthened regulatory enforcement. From a technology perspective, mandatory remote identification, remote ID, and AI-enabled dynamics geofencing can improve traceability and reduce unauthorized entry into sensitive airspace. In addition, counter-drone capabilities and abnormal flight behavior monitoring supports early detection and proactive intervention. In parallel, public awareness must improve through tiered education programs, safety labeling at the point of sale, and community-based reporting mechanisms. These measures promote responsible flying and reduce unintentional violations. At the regulatory level, a risk-based and tiered governance framework, supported by interagency data sharing and technology-enabled law enforcement, ensures proportionate oversight and real accountability for both operators and manufacturers. Drone technology is an important part of Industry 4.0. It can bring real benefits through efficiency and innovation, but only if the public feels safe. Drone misuse is not a small issue. It can violate privacy, cause accidents, disrupt airports and public services, and threaten critical infrastructure security. So the message is clear: fly responsibly, respect privacy, and follow airspace rules. It is the foundation for sustainable, safe, and ethical drone development. When remote ID, smart geofencing, public education, and strong enforcement work together, governance shifts from reactive punishment to preventive and collaborative management. Responsible use does not block innovation.